the cops do the best they can. They pull the axe out your face and say, was it the boogeyman? What was he wearing? Please don't let me fall asleep, 'cause the boogeyman